Welcome to my channel. If you found this video, I am glad your energy found this place. Breakups and separations often leave us with unanswered questions and a lot of pain. We want to know why they left, but most of the times we only see our side of the story. Today, we are flipping the script. We are diving deep into their perspective to understand the real reason behind their decision to leave. No excuses, no blame, just the honest truth from their energy. This reading is about gaining clarity, finding closure, and finally moving forward with a clear understanding. No sugarcoating, no fluff, just the practical truth. Timestamps are given in the description box for you to choose your file from. One request, as and when this resonates, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. It will motivate me a lot. Let's begin. Hi guys, if you chose file 1, this is going to be your reading. Straight up, we will get into the reading. One simple thing I would ask you to do, think about your person. While I shuffle, I will shuffle live in this reading. I will not keep the cards out like pehle. I will shuffle live as I record this. Think of your person, and this has to be proper separation. No situationship and all that stuff. It has to be proper separation, and y'all are not together anymore. And we will dive deep into this reading. I've divided this reading into two parts. First, we will understand their perspective and closure and moving on. As I shuffle, think about your person, the name. Have their image sort of a thing in your mind. Okay, let's dive into it. I always do this every time I shuffle. I request my cards to give the reality and the truth. So whatever comes out, accept it, take what resonates, leave the rest behind, I would say. First, I would say we will look into their perspective. Okay. The first card I would pull would be, what was their state of mind when they decided to leave? For pile 1, what was their partner's state of mind when they decided to leave? They were very much into the settling down. Okay, their mindset was for settling down. I'm getting these visions. I guess I know where is this reading going. Their mindset was very much into settling down. Somewhere down the line, now y'all know the story, but still this is like a closure thing. Y'all tell me, was it like this person was very much into this patriarchy thing? Y'all tell me. The person wanted to settle down, had this patriarchy mindset that a woman, sits at home. Not too extreme, but little bit family ka something thought would have come into them. In the state of mind was actually to settle down and little bit patriarchy way. What external factor influenced their decision? Let me see. What external factor influenced their decision to just move? Closure. They were done. They were done with this. They thought that this relation cannot move beyond this stage, or it cannot convert into, I would say, it would not fructify into marriage. That was the external factor which influenced. We say that not every relation will turn into marriage. That relation phase was done. And I also sense little bit of detachment in them, that they were done with this. Now I'll see what internal struggle or fear contributed to their choice to move away? Internal struggles or what fears of theirs contributed this came? No, I don't want to sound harsh here. Give me a moment. I don't want to sound harsh. I will keep this short, cut to cut. The questions I've prepared, like the spread I've tried to prepare, is very cut to cut. I will not stretch this a lot. Cut to cut I will keep. What internal struggles or fear, this ring light is, or fear contributed to their choice? See, they were tied down, and Hierophant and Devil coming, they were tied down to their traditions, the family structure, people, putting a lot of things in their head. If it's a girl, oh, get settled. If it's a man, follow the patriarchy. It was their internal fear. It was their internal struggle, I would say. They were tied down to somebody. Someone was controlling them, or something was controlling them. Y'all tell me, was it like this, that patriarchy or family turned out to be a thing, or some intercaste thing turned out to be a thing? I feel this very strongly. Next part, I want to see what did they really need that they did not get. This is also one of the factor, when someone just choose to end and move ahead. What did they really did not get that they decided to just move away? What did they really needed that they did not get? Mm, I guess they needed, now see, I don't want to sound harsh, and pile one, I feel what happened with y'all who is watching this, it was hurtful. Of course, it is painful. I need to calm down. I'm clear cognizance. Sometimes it's like I just know, but to put it out in a little lighter way is very important. See, they needed their own time. They needed their own time. This person this person was like, was happy to be with someone. This person was happy to share a life with someone, but they also had this thing that they need their own time. They need their own things, their own schedule. They were not getting that. I am feeling this very strongly. Like this person, he or she, whoever, will do everything you ask. But then they have this thing, I need my own time. They had their comfort. They were not ready to break that comfort for someone else. They wanted that and they did not get it, so they chose to move. Only this much I will say. I will not stretch this. I don't want to make very, very big video. Storage issues also is there. And with cut to cut, if I can say, I would say, let's move. Yeah, I was moving towards the other part. What they really need that they did not get. Despite being in a partnership with you, um, they wanted their comfort. They wanted their own time, their own things to do. That was somewhere. That was somewhere getting. That was getting affected, and they did not want to compromise on this. That's all I would say. What lesson you can learn from this situation? What lesson you, the one who's viewing, my heart goes out to you, yaar. What lesson you can learn from this situation? See, when this separation would have happened, you would have struggled a lot. Separations are not easy, trust me. you would have gone through a lot of struggle. You would be in a situation समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा. Oh, what happened? Now what do I do? Where do I go? How do I, let go of this? But the thing is, you have to choose yourself. If the other person did not choose you, choose their comfort, you choose yourself. Hear that again, what I said. Move ahead. Obviously, I am not sure whether you are still stuck, but that closure you have not got. Why? And why we did not continue? Why it ended? But I guess slowly and steadily you are there, like you are on that journey to um, move on mentally, emotionally, and only you can do that. Even if you hear a lot of motivation and everything, nothing will help till you force yourself and you push yourself that okay, let's just move. And I would say, what is the healthiest way to move forward? This would be the last thing. What is the healthiest way to move forward? Build your life again. Choose yourself, build your life. Don't let any men or women be the center of your life, but build your life, build yourself again. Make a life which will not be disturbed if someone leaves. That's all I would say. If this resonated, please like, comment down if it resonates. Even that helps me understand that whatever I'm coming up with is helping people, resonating with people. And please subscribe. It will motivate me a lot to bring more videos. And I will see you next time with a new reading. Bye. Hi guys, if you chose pile 2, this is your reading. We will straight up dive into your reading. One thing, as I shuffle the cards, I will shuffle live as I record this. As I shuffle, remember, like, think of your person's name in your mind. And this has to be like a proper separation, no situationship and all that thing. No, if that was your scene, this is not for you. Proper separation should have happened, then this reading would be for you. I will shuffle live. As I shuffle, think the name of that person in your mind, so that this resonates. I have divided this reading into a spread, and with each question of the spread, I'll pull the card for you. First, let's see what was their state of mind when they decided to leave. What was your person's state of mind when they decided to leave? They were very clear they want to leave. They had decided. They were clear with their decision. See, I will not keep this video very long. I have clear-cut questions in the spread. I will stay cut to cut and I will not stretch along. Whatever comes in my mind immediately I'm saying. They were clear. उनको clarity थी what they want, what they don't want. And this relation of yours was something they had developed clarity about, that maybe it does not serve them, maybe they don't want to continue. So when they were leaving, they were very clear. It was not in some infidelity or something confusion. They were very clear, cut to cut about it. Sounds harsh, but this is what it is. I am getting from my cards. I will trust my cards, okay? No harsh feelings. What external factor influenced their decision to leave? What external factor influenced their decision? Some female figure I see. Some female figure has influenced. Though when the decision happened, it was their decision. They were clear. It was a female who influenced in terms of external, factor. Female figure was there. Then I would see um, what internal struggle or fear contributed to this decision of, not continuing. What internal struggle or fear contributed to this decision? During the separation period which was happening, one thing I am sensing very strongly, communication issues would have happened. Both of y'all were not able to communicate. Both of y'all, or let's just, say it, one of y'all felt isolated. Here I'm seeing both of y'all were there. Both of y'all were feeling like though you are in this connection, but y'all are not able to express. Both of y'all, despite being in this connection, felt alone, felt isolated. Like a month or two before the separation could have happened that y'all are just there in the bond for the namesake. Ring light is moving. Y'all are there in the bond just for the namesake. Y'all are not able to communicate, and you're, even when y'all do communicate, not understanding each other, feeling totally alone despite having the partner with you. And that was the internal struggle, which led to this decision to leave from their side. Communication, misunderstanding, perspective not matching, these were the theme into the decision to leave. And I would say you all could have tried to talk, to have a different perspective, or take help, but that did not happen. I will not stretch this long. You all felt isolated despite having your partner next to you or with you. Feeling like, no matter how much you say or what you do, the partner just does not understand. These were the feelings. Now I will see what they did. What did they really need that they did not get in this, connection, which was also a part of their decision to leave? What did they really need that they did not get? They wanted this connection to be like, soulmate. But one thing you all need to understand, no matter how good your bond is, but if you cannot communicate, if you cannot understand, see, everything connects. They wanted this, connection. They wanted this connection to last, soulmate type. They needed this, this is my soulmate. I want to live longer with this person. But to have a soulmate connection, you need that soulmate understanding, communication. They were not getting that. Now I will see what lesson you can learn from this situation. What lesson you can learn from this situation. Um, if you are seeing this, you will know a little bit about tarot. Here I will not go with the traditional meaning, though I will stick to the cards because this is a tarot reading. But I will speak what my intuition is saying. Every time anger does not help, and this is for you. Just because you're angry does not mean you leave whatever you have built so far. Anger is a very big problem, suppressed anger. And that suppressed anger is because you're not able to communicate what you're feeling or what emotions you have inside you which are trapped. Anger आपको कभी ले डूबेगी. And just because you're angry does not mean you leave everything, whatever you have built so far. And when you are leaving, you don't know what you will have next. This is a lesson for you. For you also, it is very important you learn how to communicate in a healthy way. That's all I will say. What is the healthiest way to move forward? Obviously, you would have moved, but let's see what is the healthiest way for you to move forward. Let me pull one more card for you. Healthiest way for you to move forward. This something similar was there for pile one also, but don't go to pile one. You have chose this only one pile, okay? Um, you have sometimes a lot of suppressed emotions, anger. Somewhere I feel maybe because you are not fulfilled in your life, and that is not good for your partner. Partner is busy in working, building something they want, chasing something they want professionally. You now see, I hope I can put this out in proper words and in proper way, which I am trying to have a life of your own, build a life of your own. Relationship should not be the entire part of your world. That will help you a lot. That will help you channelize your anger, suppressed emotion. You will be able to put it out in a healthier way. Build a life of your own, something which you are proud of, and something which does not gets distracted when someone leaves. Something similar was for pile one also. I will leave you here with this. Work on your communication. Don't suppress a lot of anger and emotions in you. And if, let's say, you're not able to communicate, talk to your person moving forward with whoever you be. Communicate in a way. Why will someone not understand if you try to explain in a normal way without getting angry, without walking away? I am sensing this, one thing. If some silent treatment, you give silent treatment, चिल्ला भी देते हो, comment down. And what was I saying? Communicate in a presentable way. Learn to communicate. You know how to communicate, but when we are in that heat up moment, things goes haywire. Don't let that happen moving forward. And I will leave you here with this reading. If this resonated in any which ways, please like and comment. If you comment, it will help me understand that the content I'm putting out on YouTube, people are resonating. It will motivate me to bring more such videos. And please subscribe if this resonated. It will motivate me a lot to bring more such videos. And I will see you next time with a new reading. Hi guys, if you chose pile 3, then this is your reading. We will dive directly into your reading. I will shuffle my cards live as I record. One thing I want you to do as I shuffle initially, think of your person's name, okay, so that you connect to this reading. I have divided this reading into two parts. We will understand their perspective and also for you, closure and move on. I will keep this cut to cut. I will not stretch a lot. Cut to cut I will keep so that we don't stretch unnecessarily. Where needed, I will explain in detail. Think of your person's name as I shuffle. The very first thing I will see, what was their state of mind when they decided to leave? What was the state of mind of your person when they decided to leave? One thing I would say, They had decided to leave. They had looked forward already to leave. And amongst y'all, one of y'all, or let's say both of y'all were so much into work, one of you or both of y'all were into work a lot, and that brought a sort of isolation. You, one or both of y'all was working, and there came a disconnect that what's the point of this relationship, but then where isolation is coming a lot. um One or both of y'all, I would say, because this is let me just say their perspective. They were working, and they were achieving, they were building something professionally in their career. And they were like, they're working, but you know, the bond is slipping from their hand. Isolation had hit. I would say isolation in relationship, despite being with each other, they felt it is their perspective, so I will say they felt isolated. Career, and I'm also seeing some distance, physical distance. I also sense here that brought isolation and distance in the relationship. And their perspective, when they decided to leave, oh, the light is gone. Their perspective was, distance has come, and they did not want this. They did not want this distance, physical or emotional. That was their perspective while deciding to leave. Then I will say, what external factor influenced their decision to leave? What external factor influenced their decision to leave? Career, wants, it was three of wands, career, financial opportunities was the external factor which influenced their decision. They were building something, career, their own work. And see, I don't want to say, see, sometimes you need to be mature, that there are times when life throws such situation in front of you where you have to choose any one, you cannot choose both. And the external factor was their career, finance, building something which they thought is very important for them at that point of time when this separation happened. What internal struggle or fear contributed to their choice of not continuing? What internal struggle or fear contributed to their choice? They, now you tell me in the comment, did you not get proper closure, or when this ended, you felt like, what is this reason? Like, they did not want to, confront it very maturely, that they see everything now makes sense. They had this external factor for which they decided to leave, and they had this internal struggle that they're not able to tell you, that they right now wishes to choose that opportunity or something they're building, and they cannot give time or what is needed in the relationship. They were not able to communicate this, tell this to you with straight face. And this is something which you can tell me in comment, you can clarify if this resonates with something like this happened when they communicated that they don't wish to continue. The reason to you felt like, what is this? No, this is not a proper closure. This file did not get a proper closure. Your partner, he or she, had a financial opportunity, something they wanted to build, and it is not your it's not your fault, or it's not you that, oh, they did not choose me. Circumstances must have been such that they chose that seed which they thought will grow. We will not see whether that grew or no. and they could not communicate properly. They chose not to communicate because उनको नहीं पता था. How do I say that I chose that opportunity or the thing which I'm building and not you? I will not stretch this. I will move to next question. What did they really need that they did not get, which resulted in them choosing to leave? What did they really need that they did not get? This is also an important factor. What did they really need that they did not get? They also needed a sort of commitment. Were you also like someone who had distractions around? And when I say distraction, you know what distractions I'm saying. Exclusivity, they also wanted. They did not get it. They did not get it. Or this relation was not on that stage where both of y'all were exclusive or both of y'all had given this term relationship to this. They did not get this. I sense this very strongly. They did not get this. They chose something else, materialistic opportunity. Now let's look at closure and moving on for you who's watching. What lesson you can learn from this situation? What lesson you can learn from this situation? This just see, I will connect it to this card. In partnership, if you are sure about someone, go for the long term commitment. Go for long term. If you're with someone, do not have this thing that, oh, I'm not sure. I don't know where is this going. Don't go for this. Build long term. That is a lesson for you. That is a lesson which you need to learn from this situation. I see no problem in this. See, might sound harsh. After listening, you might feel, आपकी जगह मैं होती, I would have also felt the same thing. Arey, how is she saying this to me? I will not deny what my cards are saying. I will trust them, but no judgment to you. I see no problem in this. This relation could have gone long. The only thing, if for exclusivity would have come or some term you would have given to your bond, and because that term was not given, the person chose something else which they felt which was long term. So you moving forward, avoid these short term things. And in the sense, short terms, if you feel in few months that this is something long term, commit to it, give that term. Now last, I will say, what is the healthiest way to move forward? Obviously you have moved on. What is the healthiest way to move forward? Whatever happened, mitti pao. Moving forward, avoid childishness. This card actually says something else traditionally. I will stick to tarot meanings because this is a tarot reading. Avoid childishness, avoid immaturity moving forward in relationships. Avoid ego. Was it let it be? Will become too harsh. I've become enough harsh on y'all in this reading, somewhere in the reading, in the middle. Avoid childishness, immaturity, moving forward in the relationship. The lesson which we just saw a couple of seconds ago, keep that in mind. It was not a you problem when the person did not choose you and chose something else. Just the thing, avoid that same thing moving ahead. If you really found someone, see, it is very difficult to find someone in today's day and age. If you found someone, don't leave. Be with them. And if you're sure, give that, term, that name to the relation. And yeah, that is all for you. Please like and comment if you resonated. Please comment if it resonated, so I understand that whatever I'm posting, is it helping or no. I will get to know whether this resonates to people who are watching or no. And please subscribe, it will motivate me a lot to come up with more such videos. And I will see you next time with a new reading. Bye.